Roll that thing up like a little burrito. Alright, so in today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a little bit unboxing for you guys. Also, I gotta let you know that I have this jacket for sale. This is a size 46 SLP Teddy jacket. I am wearing a medium 48 right now, and I just think this one fits me a little bit better. It's probably going to sell it for like half the retail price. Super clean jacket, 46 size small, comes with all the tags and receipt and whatnot. Hit me up if you guys are interested. And also, goals 2018, we'll get to that a little bit later. Let's open the first boxing right here. Got this little thing right here.
It's a knife.
I got these because one, they're super dirt cheap. They were 75 bucks. And two, I did see a photo of D'Angelo Russell recently, and he was just rocking them, you know, pretty casually. All right, so we got the box. Bam! We got the Jordan 1 Shadow Lows right here. And I actually got two sizes, so whatever size doesn't fit me, I'm gonna be giving out the other one. And I know I've been doing a lot of giveaways lately. I just been picking random people that hit me up on Instagram or leave a dope comment. Anything that really stands out to me, I usually end up giving the item to that person. So 75 bucks, you can't really beat that. All right, so let's move on to this box right here. Pretty sure it's a crew neck that I ordered. Roll that thing up like a little burrito. And this is a Stone Island black crew neck. And that's kind of my style lately, you know, not super loud. When it comes to Stone Island, I like more of the chill pieces. I know it's a brand that has a lot of colorful pieces and a lot of different materials and whatnot, but for myself, I just like the pretty standard crew neck. This one right here is a French terry material, so it feels a little bit more, I would say, thicker than your average fleece material crew neck. So there we have it. Next sneaker up, we got the Rockefeller Johns right here. These are super iconic to me because growing up, you know, Air Force Ones were like the hotness, but obviously I couldn't really afford them. I like the buttery leather right here. You got the really subtle Rockefeller logo, and obviously Jay-Z being one of my favorite rappers of all time. I got these for a retail from RSVP Gallery in Chicago for $139 or something. Not too bad. At one point, some people were buying these for like $250 or something. So shout out to RSVP Gallery for hooking these up for retail. So I'm not gonna even open up this box. These are the shadow ones that I mentioned earlier in a different size. So like I said, whatever size I don't keep, you guys can have the other one. But when you hit me up, make sure you guys say something that stands out. Obviously, if you're gonna leave a comment, let me know your situation or something. Maybe you're an upcoming sneaker YouTuber and you need some sneakers to unbox. I don't know. Just make sure it stands out because I get a lot of messages. 2018, I mean, we got a lot of crazy stuff planned for you guys. We got some really like cinematic videos coming. We also got a short film. We got more skits. I know a lot of people have been asking me to do the old sneakerhead versus new sneakerhead series. So we're gonna do that. So you're gonna get more vlogs like this as well. You're gonna see crazy what's going on, Richie, and then you're also gonna get this. I think it's only fair that you guys get both sides of me. The good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. And that's pretty much it, man. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for a crazy 2017. Our channel definitely grew. We're trying to hit 1 million, and that is definitely the goal. So stay tuned and see what we have in store. All right, peace. What up, guys? So right now I'm at an open gym basketball. You were in the sushi video, remember? Oh yeah. And they were like, yo, is that Jordan Clarkson?
It's good.
I was gonna play in these LeBrons, man. They're tight. I just can't do it. I just can't do it.
Man, I saw you lace it up. I was like, ooh, Rich, you're about to hoop it.
I can't do it. LeBrons, I just had to go hit him with the Kyries, man.
Hey, you know why? Because Richie got the hezzy.
Show him some, show him some.
Jalen 2.0.
This is the homie that got that work in the vlog on the park.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll live with that. We'll live with it. Goes off two, puts up a three.
I get buckets out here. You already know.
Yeah, we in the gym now. We in the gym now.
You want a rematch?
We in the gym now.
You need a rematch? That's Tan's brother, by the way.
Game time, though. Game time. See that lockdown? You know, took a 4-week absence from the court, you know, first time back on here. Pretty bad right now. Pretty bad. Hey, baby!
I'm going with the Radmanovich, you feel me?
Yeah, let's see if Richie can shoot like Radmanovich. That would be tight.
Can't buy a bucket.
That was cold. That was a good game.
Yo, we took an L on that one. Tan and I are 0 for 2.
Hey, he took an L and they committed 20 fouls. Uh-oh. Like that. Ooh, flash.
What's it like being Tang's brother?
Man, it's cool, man. At first, it's kind of weird, you know, at the mall, some, you know, these little kids asking for pictures and stuff, but it's cool, you know, he's doing this thing on YouTube, you know. Shout out to Richie and Fun Brothers, of course.
Did anybody recognize you from that basketball video?
Oh, yeah, you know, everybody, you know, call me Perico Tan, the bigger Perico, you know.
Well, who's the older brother?
He's the oldest one.
Oh.
I'm the bigger one, better looking probably, of course. Oh! L after L after L after L.
Alright guys, hoop didn't really go as planned today. Took a lot of L's, but it's all good. I'm still deciding what I'm gonna do with this hair right here, man. It's becoming a problem. But as my mom would say, becoming a problem.